how to turn off or on publish my new playlists on my profile on Spotify. PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open Spotify and then click on your profile here in top corner and click settings, and once you're here just scroll until you find social, and here we'll find publish my new playlists on my profile. Now you can turn it off or on, and as you see it's easy, and that's it. After that all you need to do just click this one here, go back, and that's it. It will be saved, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.